morning, y'all. So I just received another package in the mail from Wayfair, and I believe today these are the bar stools that I ordered. I ordered 2 of them in the color gray, and I'm going to assemble them both on my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. So right here, I'm just unboxing everything to make sure that I have everything that the instructions said that I should have. So right here, you all, I'm just screwing on both of the middle support parts to both of the stools. It comes with 8 screws in total, so each stool chair gets 4 screws a piece. So in all, it took about 20 minutes to assemble both chairs. Everything was very self-explanatory because it only came with about 4 pieces that you had to put together in total. So in all, everything went by super fast. And here's Adriana. She has to be in every video. You guys, it never fails. Watch, she's going to start dancing. That's just Adriana. I had both of my children come out to see were they able to lower the chair down, but my son, he's 55 pounds, so he wasn't able to do it, but he was able to get the chair to lift up while he's sitting on it. With my oldest daughter, she's 67 pounds, so it wouldn't go down for her either, but she was able to get it to lift up for her. So thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe to my channel.